Hello, little artists! Today, we're going to color an amazing T-Rex together. Download the template in the description. Yay! Materials we'll use: colored pencils, drawing template, and lots of fun!
Grab your favorite markers and let's color together. Let's start with the letters. The green color for my T-Rex.
Green, green, color green, green, color green, yeah. Color green, 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 color green. Color green, green, green. Green again, color green. Color green. Green, green, green. Beautiful color, green. Green, green, green. Oh. What color? Brown. Oh, brown color, brown, brown, brown color, brown, 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 brown. Color brown, 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 brown color, brown, brown, brown. I like it so much, the color brown.
The T-Rex was a carnivore. Wow, look at our beautiful T-Rex. It looks amazing.
I want my yellow
What colors did you use for your dinosaur? I bet it looks fantastic.
I like so much color yellow.
Beautiful. You are very, very amazing artist.
Green is a beautiful color. Oh, I like it. Oh, amazing, amazing. Oh, I like so much. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful T-Rex.
My drawing is almost ready.
Oh, my beautiful T-Rex. Amazing. Oh. green again. Oh, the color green. Ooh. The T-Rex. Oh, so beautiful. Amazing. So beautiful, T-Rex.
I finished my drawing. It turned out really nice. Whee! Beautiful. My T-Rex turned out amazing. Woo!
And that's how we finished our drawing. See you in the next video, little artists!